Chapter 1. The Silent Struggle. We never talk about. Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, you're just not enough? You're constantly chasing approval, validation, or love, yet it always feels just out of reach. You're not alone. There's a silent struggle that many people face but rarely talk about. A battle between who they are and who they think they need to be. And the worst part? The more they try to fit in, the emptier they feel inside. But what if I told you that the very thing you're running from is the key to your freedom? Stay with me till the end, because what I'm about to share might change how you see yourself forever. Chapter 2. The Hidden Lies We Believe. The fear of not being enough comes from one simple yet painful reality. We've been conditioned to believe our worth is tied to external validation. From a young age, we're told, be good and people will like you. Work hard and you'll be successful. Make others happy and they'll love you. But what happens when you do everything right and still feel empty? You start to wonder, what's wrong with me? But here's the truth they never told you. Nothing is wrong with you. Chapter 3. The Real Enemy Within. The real problem isn't who you are. It's what you believe about yourself. The lies you've absorbed over the years, the expectations placed upon you, and the pressure to always be more. Think about it. When was the last time you truly felt at peace? Not because someone approved of you, not because you achieved something, but just because you were you. Most people can't even remember. We spend so much time trying to prove our worth that we forget we were never supposed to in the first place. Chapter 4. The Story That Changed Everything. Let me tell you a story. There was a woman who spent years climbing the corporate ladder. She was admired, respected, and seemed to have it all. But every night, she lay awake, feeling empty. One day, she quit, just walked away from it all. When asked why, she simply said, "Because I was living for everyone else, but I had no idea who I was." Sound familiar? But here's the thing. How do you break free from this cycle? How do you finally feel like you are enough? Chapter 5. The Breakthrough You Need. It starts with one powerful shift. Stop seeking validation. Instead, start recognizing your worth. Here's how. 1. Detach from external approval. What people think of you is their business, not yours. 2. Redefine success. Make it about how you feel, not what you achieve. 3. Give yourself the love you keep searching for. The validation you crave from others. Start giving it to yourself. Chapter 6. The Truth That Sets You Free. The day you stop seeking approval is the day you start living. Because the truth is, you were always enough. You just needed to see it for yourself. Chapter 7. Your Moment of Reflection. Now, I have a question for you. What's one belief about yourself that you're ready to let go of today? Drop it in the comments below, and let's start this journey together. Chapter 8. Take action and own your story. If this video spoke to you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you want more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss a post. Because remember, you're already enough. It's time to start living like it.